Hello and welcome you all. Today we will be doing new topic of our class 12th mathematics based on principle of mathematical induction, which we have studied in class 11th also. So here we will again apply the same concept in algebra of matrices. So we know that while solving it with principle of mathematical induction, first we will check it for n is equal to 1 and state whether our condition is true or not. And if it is true, then in second step we will check for n is equal to k and assume that our result be true for n is equal to k. And in the third step, we have to prove our statement be true for n is equal to k plus 1. And then at the end, we will conclude that our result is true for all positive integers belongs to n. So based on PMI, our first question for today is prove that the following by principle of mathematical induction. If a equal to 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1, then a to the power n equal to 1 plus 2n minus 4n and 1 minus 2n for every positive integer n. So as per our algorithm, our first step is for n is equal to 1. We have a to the power 1 equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1, 1, 1 minus 2 into 1. So from here we get 1 plus 2, 3, and then minus 4 into 1, minus 4, and then 1, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And this is equal to our square matrix A. So our result is true for n is equal to 1. And now our second step where we will assume that the result be also true for n is equal to k. So from here a to the power k equal to 1 plus 2k minus 4k, k 1 minus 2k. And let's say that this is equal to I. And now in the third step, we'll check that our result is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So a to the power k plus 1, we know by applying law of indices, it can be written as a to the power k into a. And on substituting the value of a to the power k from I, we can write it as 1 plus 2k minus 4k, k 1 minus 2k into 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. And now you know how to do multiplication in algebra of matrices. So first we will take a11 element, which is 1 plus 2k, and multiply it by first element of set A, which is 3. So 3 into 1, 3, and 3 into 2 plus 6k. And then we will multiply a12 element, which is minus 4k, into a21 element of matrix A, which is 1. So minus 4k into 1 is minus 4k. And then we will multiply a11 element, which is 1 plus 2k, into a12 element of matrix A. So minus 4 into 1 plus 2k, we get minus 4 minus 8k. And then we will multiply a12 element, which is minus 4k, into a22 element of set A, which is minus 1. So minus into minus, we get plus 4k. And then we will multiply a21 element, which is k, into a11 element of matrix A, which is 3. So 3 into k is 3k. And then 1 minus 2k into a21 element, which is 1. So 1 minus 2k into 1 is 1 minus 2k. And then we will multiply a21 element with a12 element of matrix A. So minus 4 into k is minus 4k. And then 1 minus 2k into minus 1. So here we will get minus 1 plus 2k. So on solving it, we get 3 plus 2k, minus 4 minus 4k, k plus 1, minus 1 minus 2k. And now, as you know that for n is equal to k plus 1, the value of n is replaced by k plus 1. So to make it in the form of k plus 1, I can write 3 plus 2k as 1 plus 2 plus 2k. And then from minus 4k, I can take minus 4 as common, and in bracket we get k plus 1. And then k plus 1 remains as it is. And then minus 1 minus 2k can also be written as 1 minus 2 minus 2k. So from here, a to the power k plus 1 equal to 1 plus 2 is taken as common, and in bracket we get k plus 1. And then minus 4, and in bracket again k plus 1. And then k plus 1, 1, and minus 2 is taken as common, and in bracket we get k plus 1. So here you can see that our result is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. Thus, by principle of mathematical induction, our result is valid for all positive integer n. And now, based on above topic, practice this question, mention on your screen, and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.